If you want to invest but everything feels so strange and confusing, wait, stop. Today I'm going to give you the 3 easiest ETF portfolio that even someone with zero experience can set up in 10 minutes. These portfolios are the exact kind used by millions of beginners to build wealth, which is automatically. The most beginner quit investing before they even start. Why? Because they think they need stock picking skills or hours of research or expensive courses. But the truth is, you don't need any of that. You just need a simple ETF portfolio that grows quietly in the background while you enjoy your life. A disclaimer before I start my journey here. So I don't get paid from anyone from any ETF company. This is purely my experience and purely my life journey in the investing world. Portfolio number one, the first one, is one ETF beginner portfolio. This is the laziest, safe feeling, zero maintenance way to start investing. You literally buy one stock or one ETF and you are instantly investing in thousands of companies globally. No rebalancing, no picking stocks, no stress. So if you don't understand anything else in this video, this portfolio is enough to build wealth long term. So the popular choice includes Vanguard Total Stock ETF, VT, Total World Stock Market. Second one is VEQT or XEQT for Canadian wanting to have 100% equity. And the third one is VTI plus VXUS combo for US investors. The second portfolio we have is the legendary Core 3 ETF portfolio. It's still simple but gives you more control depending on your risk and tolerance. This includes VTI, which is your growth engine. International stock globally is VXUS, and the third one is IXUS, which is an international stock that can diversify your portfolio. A common beginner setup is 70% stock and 30% bonds, or you can have international stock. You're diversifying your portfolios. This portfolio has survived every market crash in the last 50 years and is still used by millions of long-term investors. Portfolio number 3 is Automatic Wealth Portfolio. Perfect for anyone who wants to invest to feel as effortless as Netflix. So here you can use auto investing platforms and build up ETF portfolio. Automatically buy your ETF, automatically rebalance, and invest every deposit without you doing anything. This includes all-in-one ETF like VGRO, XEQT. If you are in Canada, TGRO, depending upon your region. This is the best portfolio for people who wants to build wealth without even logging into their account. Fun, right? So if you are a beginner and want to have the easiest choice, go for portfolio number one ETF, zero headache. If you want to have more control and slightly better optimization, then choose portfolio number 2. And if you want a complete automated hands-off setup, then portfolio number 3 is the winner. Okay, so the biggest mistake beginner makes is waiting. The sooner you start, the better your future becomes. Even a $50 a month into the ETF portfolio can snowball into something life-changing. Come and start if you're a beginner and you want to invest your journey today, and I'll reply with a beginner-friendly plan. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up so that this video can reach to someone who is in need of some guidance in this investing world. And please do subscribe and ring a bell button so that you can get a new video every day from our side. Thank you and bye bye.